In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get QuickBooks Online 2026. By the end, you'll be signed up and ready to manage your books with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the official QuickBooks Online website. To avoid lookalikes, make sure the address bar shows the secure lock icon and the official domain. If you already use other Intuit products, you'll be on familiar ground. If not, don't worry, this is straightforward. On the homepage, choose whether you want to start a free trial or purchase a plan right away. A trial is great if you want to explore features without commitment. Just note that promotional discounts sometimes apply only when you buy now, so choose the option that fits your situation and budget. Next, compare the available plans and select the one that matches your needs. Think about the size of your business, how many users you need, and whether you'll be tracking bills, inventory, or advanced reporting. You can upgrade later, but picking the right fit now saves time. Click Sign Up to begin creating your account. You'll be asked for a few basics to set up your login. Use accurate information and create secure credentials you can remember. If prompted to verify your identity, follow the on-screen instructions and complete any confirmation steps to keep your account protected. You'll then provide your business details. Enter your legal business name, type of organization, and industry, so QuickBooks can tailor settings to you. Share only what's requested and keep things consistent with your official records. If you don't have everything handy, you can usually skip and update it later in settings. Now it's time to set up your QuickBooks Online account. Choose your country, currency, and fiscal year start. Turn on tax features if you need to collect sales tax. QuickBooks will suggest a chart of accounts template. Review it and make small tweaks to reflect how you actually track income and expenses. You can connect your bank and credit card accounts to bring in transactions automatically. This saves hours each month, and you can import customers, vendors, and products from a spreadsheet to get going faster. Personalize your invoices with your logo, business details, and preferred payment methods, so you're ready to bill right away. Finally, start using QuickBooks Online. Explore the dashboard to see cash flow at a glance. Create a sample invoice to test your workflow and record a recent expense, so you understand how transactions flow into reports. Bookmark your sign-in page and check the built-in tutorials and help articles whenever you need guidance. That's it. You've got QuickBooks Online 2026 set up and ready to go.